Hello everyone, Abdul is here. In this video, I will show how we can do server-side tracking in Google Analytics 4. For server-side tracking, we need a server. I am using step.io for server, and you can use any server like Google Cloud or Step. Also, we need two account, a Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics 4 account. First, we will see step by step how server-side tracking is done. First of all, we have to do the work. E-commerce tracking should be done with Google Tag Manager. After, we will configure server-side. First, we need to configure Google Analytics 4 with our website. I am using this my website demo store, and I am now using Google Tag Manager and using Google Analytics. First, you need to create a Google Tag Manager account. Just go to tagmanager.google.com and type your company name or any name and choose country. Type your container name, select the web and create the web container. I've already created, and now I'm going to Google my Tag Manager account. Here is my Google Tag Manager web container account. This is the web container. Okay, here is no server. Now we need to enable the data layer. I'm going to my website admin panel. First, we need to set up our tag manager to our website. Here is the tag manager code. Just copy it and go to website dashboard. I'm using WordPress, and go to plugins, add new plugin, and just search GTM. Enable the plugin. I've already enabled it, installed and enabled, and activate. And I'm going to Google Tag Manager. Paste here your GTM code and save. You need to check that your container is on. And if I go to visit the store, I enable the Google Tag Assistant Legacy. You can easily install by using Google search. Our Tag Manager is installed successful. Okay. And now to enable the data layer, go to again admin panel and setting Google Tag Manager. Go to integration e-commerce and mark the track Indians e-commerce. Mark and save change. Now I'm checking our data layer is enabled or not. Go to Google Tag Manager, select the preview, copy the website URL and paste here preview option and connect. If I visit any product, if I go to preview option, here is the preview option. If I visit any product page, if I go to Tag Assistant, and as you can see, our data layer is enabled. You can track your e-commerce product without data layer. Okay, our data layer is enabled, done. Now we need to set up our website to Google Tag Manager, website to Google Analytics 4 with Google Tag Manager. Now I'm going to Google Tag Manager, just search on analytics.google.com and you will see the dashboard. Okay, just type here your company name. You can select the all option. Okay, next, and type your property name. Okay, select your time zone, select your country time zone, currency. Next, and select the survey form. It's very important for your business recommendation. Okay, just create. I've already created. I'm using my old account. Here is my property, here is my account, and here is my property. Just go to admin panel and go to data stream, GA4 property, select the web, and I am pasting my website URL. Remove the HTTP or HTTPS. Again type your business name and create a stream and copy the measurement ID. If not receive any pop-up, and just select the data stream, your domain name, and again you will see that this pop-up. Just copy the measurement ID. Now go to Google Tag Manager, go to admin section. Will by some click track the whole e-commerce website easily. I will give this template in the description box. Okay, let's go to import container, choose the container file, select the JSON and select the existing, select the workshop and the confirm. If I go to tags option, then you will see here is two tags. Here is a one triggers. I have already added all events are here. Okay, by rejects, and you can see variables. All variables are already created. Just we need to go to GA4 configure all pages. Select the and paste your this measurement ID. Replace your this measurement ID. Save. Now we need to check our e-commerce tracking as are perfectly working or not before us publish and continue. Again go to workshop, workspace and select the preview option, and then again go to your website URL and go to analytics. Again go to this property option and you will see the debug view. Open the debug view and do some events. Add to cart, view cart, remove cart, proceed checkout, place order. And if I go to the tag assistant option, preview option, and you will see all the events are perfectly working. You will see parses, page view, begin checkout. All the events are working. Sometimes analytics takes time, and as you can see our e-commerce tracking is successfully working. If I click the parses, you can see here is our item list. Our begin checkout, add to cart, view item is now working. Successfully we have done our web tracking. If I go to step.io and log in or sign up, you can easily create account by some clicks. I have already created my account. I log out and you can easily create it by with the sign up with your email. Okay, I have already account. I am login. Step.io, login, sign in. This is my Step.io account, and now we need to create a Google Tag server container. Okay, go to admin section, select the plus icon, and type your business name, server name, and select the server and create. And manually select the revision tagging server and copy the container ID, and go to step.io and create the container. Paste the container configuration. This is a configuration code and name, any name, and choose your server location. I am using Singapore. Create container. You can use your country. Now I am as a free. You can 10,000 request uses for free. Just select the free and your server container is successfully created. Now it's showing a verify. Just close. Go to admin section. This is a server container, and go to admin section. Select the server container setting and copy the tagging server URLs. Copy the tagging server URLs. Select the add URL, paste the URL, and save. If I again go to step.io, it's showing running. When you use tagging server URL, your server it's automatically showing running. Now I am creating setup server container. Go to workspace, go to tags, and if I go to client section, I am duplicating. Now I am going to web container. Here is our web container, and it is our server container. Here is the clients. If I go to clients, you can see here is a two clients, Universal Analytics or GA4. Okay, we are using GA4 client server. Okay, go to tag section, select the add new tag, tag configure, Google Analytics GA4, paste your measurement ID, go to your Google Analytics account, admin account, and go to data streams. Again copy your measurement ID and just paste it here. No need to even name. Okay, and triggering, select the new trigger, select the custom some events, choose the client name, choose the built-in variable, select the client name equals, just type GA4, use GA capital letter, just save, and I am using GA4 clients. Okay, save. Save. Google Analytics GA4 save. Our server is ready. Just go to preview, and this is web container. Go to preview. Our server is working not. We are now just checking. Go to connect your website and do some events. Add to cart, push it to checkout. If I go to text manager debug mode, if I go to our web container, the data is not coming from web container. Sorry, I have one mistake. Again, we need to copy each step IO tagging server URLs and go to web container. Here is the web container, and go to GA4 configure all pages and select and mark the send to web container and paste the your server container URL and save. Now submit it, and if are already successfully completed your server container, just submit it and publish it. And now I am going to again preview mode. Go to web container preview mode and go to server container preview mode. Connect, and as you can see, two events are come from our website. If I visit the product, add to cart, view cart, checkout, and as you can see, here is our begin checkout now working, requested from client. This is a client's, this is a GA4 client's request, and outgoing, it going to incoming, collected incoming from clients, and it's outgoing means sent to Google Analytics GA4 account. Our server container is now perfectly working. If I purchase any product and go to server and purchase, working successfully working, our server container is done. This is the basic setup. If you want to really collect your first party cookies, you need to set up the subdomain. I am listing some settings, and I have already I have noted to first one step, configure the subdomain for first party cookies. If I go to step.io, as you can see, here is a domain option. If you want to really capture the first party cookies perfectly, or you need to set up the subdomain for your business. Okay, and second is we need to extend the cookies time. Extend the time is 1 year, 2 year, 6 months. Okay, this is the basic setup for server container. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, you can easily comment by below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.